but that got broken below. I'm sorry about that. That's Brendan texting. He's back. He's finally back from the dead here, man. Let's just watch for his, video coming up. What is going on, people? It is January 17th. It's a Monday. I'm still early in the week and there's a bunch of drama happening with Crypto.com. So we're going to investigate that. Apparently, they had to suspend withdrawals on the Crypto.com wallet. There's some suspicious activity happening on the wallet, on the hot wallet itself. Some, people actually commented on it. The founder of Dogecoin. There's a bunch of well-known influencers on Twitter that also commented about it as well. Some people apparently lost some funds. Crypto.com is saying that all funds are intact and nothing happened in that sense. So, we'll see. Let me know if you also got affected by this in the comment section below. And, there's still more and more news coming up. So we'll see if this was some major hack or no, or did they catch it in time or not. That's pretty important to see. But nonetheless, we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the price action a bit. So let's get right into it. So this is the actual the article on Cointelegraph. I'll show you as well the tweets that happened. But Crypto.com pauses withdrawals due to suspicious activity. Dogecoin founder Billy Marcus noticed suspicious transaction pattern on Etherscan that prompted the company to halt all transactions for the time being. They're saying this is the actual tweet. We have a small number of users reporting suspicious activity. This is it right here. We have a small number of users reporting suspicious activity on their accounts. We will be pausing withdrawals shortly as our team is investigating. All funds are safe. There's a bunch of people commented. Our boy Richie Hart saying Hex.com users unaffected. There's a bunch of people here talking about what's happened to their accounts as well. And again, they had an update almost, I would say 3 hours ago or less. Withdrawal services have been restored. All funds are safe. It will take time to clear the backlogs. We appreciate your patience. And they also prompted users to actually reset their to a phase. And that's pretty much it. So a few hours ago, Crypto.com halted their withdrawals from its platform in response to several thefts reported by customers. Billy Marcus on Twitter, which is the founder of Dogecoin, he said, "I see odd activity in one of the Ethereum hot wallets. It's a pattern. The wallet receiving looks like this. Multiple of the same transactions to a new wallet between 2 to 5 ETH. Funds not moved after that." And, spreading some information here saying internal system transfers and funds are safe. Is it an inside job gone wrong, like Office Space? Are hackers taking funds from an exchange hot wallet? Never a dull day in the crypto world. 100%. Ben Baller as well. He's an influencer on Twitter, on Instagram. He's mainly a jeweler. I guess recently he's a cryptocurrency enthusiast as well, claimed that his account has been breached, losing 4.28 Ethereum, which is about $15,000. He also said that he used two-factor authentication, so the alleged perpetrators must have bypassed some of the Crypto.com security features. So, if we trust this person or no, there's definitely some information there that we need Crypto.com to clarify. Cointelegraph reached out to Crypto.com for more details. They didn't really reply back to them. But, just to keep you in the look, I even made a video about this like a couple months ago. Earlier this month, decentralized finance security platform and bug bounty service Immunify founded that losses from hacks, scams, and other malicious activities exceeded $10.2 billion only in 2021, man. So make sure, you never give your seed phrases to anybody, your private keys. Make sure you don't press any links. Make sure, you don't get DM'd by some random people telling you, hey, we'll help you with this or that. Some certain giveaways. There's a bunch of stuff that you can easily get hacked with Crypto.com. So there's a reminder for everybody to make sure you're always cautious with crypto. Per the report, there were 120 crypto exploits or fraudulent rug pulls, the highest valued hack being the Poly network at $613 million. It's hard to see. So nonetheless, Crypto.com is saying that they, the withdrawal service have been restored. All funds are safe, and they got a backlog of people to get back to. So if you have any problems, make sure you hit them up, and make sure you go head up Crypto.com customer support. This is the verified account. It's at Crypto.com CS, and they'll probably help you out. But let's talk about the price action. So it's not only that, crypto.com offices are having a bad day. We're seeing that also. We have the price action here has been, ever since, what do we have here? Ever since January 5th, it's been trying to find support at this 100 EMA. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 10 days of, we're hovering against this EMA, but looks like we're penetrating it again one more time here. So we'll see what's going to happen by the end of the day. If we zoom out here, maybe I'll just take away this one right here. You can see if we connect the tops of 1, 2, 3, and 4 almost somewhere here. Looks like we still have some room for some sort of support to come up here. The volume has been decreasing, indicating there's some less interest in the current trend, which is a downtrend. I'm saying the same things again here. There's nothing really much happening beside this downtrend. We're trying to anticipate some sort of reversal coming up. We all have our hopes and promises and hopium, whatever you want to call it, in the market. But again, you need to let the market speak to you first. As much as people have or projects have developments and everybody's excited for it, it's just, you got to let the market speak first. That's what it is. Again, we do expect some sort of support to come up here. We expected some support to come up at the 50-cent region, but that got broken below. I'm sorry about that. That's Brendan texting. He's back. He's finally back from the dead here, man. Let's just watch for his, video coming up. Again, the $50 regions where we bounced here, we bounced somewhere around this region again, and not until, we couldn't really find that support, and now we're trying to, again, find more and more support. The volume's been decreasing. We see that the RSI itself is getting closer and closer to the oversold region. And, once we get to the oversold region, we can anticipate some sort of, buyback happening by all these buyers that bought here. Same thing along this region as well. Once we start seeing the RSI leaving the oversold region, coming back into the, neutral region, I guess, we start seeing some sort of movement. Same thing over here. If we expand this a bit, you'll see that as soon as the RSI hits the bottom here below the 30 region, starts to go back up, that's when we see some sort of a movement. So, and again, MACD at this side here, the MACD is showing us the momentum to the bottom side has been, subsiding. We see here that we have this happening over here, and then the next movement to the upside has a higher low with the MACD itself, and looks like the MACD is trying to get to the positive side sometime soon. So we need to see what's going to happen, guys. Do I think that sometime soon we need to eye some sort of a reversal happening? I still think so. I don't really think that we're going to zero. This thing happens with crypto overall, whether it's look at the whole market, guys. The whole market is down today. There's nothing up except for Cardano, I think. If you go to Cardano, you'll see it's probably up like 8% or something like that. But the whole market is down, man. So whatever you're looking at, everything's down. Any kind of chart we look at, it's all been down. If we go to, I'll pick anything. Polkadot, it's been down. 1 inch, it's been down. Link has been down. Everything has been down ever since. So again, man, you got to keep that in mind. It's not only crypto.com, which I expect, a lot of people bought at the top here, which we've been saying don't, but it is what it is. People like to buy on green candles. You got to let them buy on green candles, man. When we're saying it's hard telling people not to buy when they're extremely excited. So it is what it is. At the end of the day, to us, we never like to just hype everything up. We like to just really let the market speak to us first, and we buy at these levels. This is the level we usually buy at. I never buy at the top here. If you look at our live streams, you look at our previous videos, we've been talking about crypto.com ever since the 8 cents or 5 cent region. No one was looking at it. Not until, it reached the dollar. That's when people want to buy it. It's kind of crazy, but I don't want to rant too much, to be honest with you. So yeah, that's what it is in a nutshell. Nothing too nice about the price action. We're still trying to find that support. The 100 EMA looks like we're struggling to hold it. There's the 200 EMA coming up. Is it gonna hold? Who knows? But, we do expect some sort of reversal coming up soon. We just need to let the market tell us first. And again, keep that in mind. So, that's pretty much it for me in this video. This is the first video I actually keep below the 10-minute, which is nice. I like it. Just want to give you a quick update. Let's see what this week holds for us. You know, we got to stay on the lookout for any news or any updates. So make sure you subscribe to the channel for all things Chronos, allthingscrypto.com, everything in the Chronos ecosystem. We try to cover in this channel and everything else. And, you know, make sure you hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified with new uploads. We're trying to go on a live stream soon here with Brendan if he's feeling okay. Make sure you wish him to get well soon. Peace out. Appreciate you. Have a great day.